Hey all, welcome back. So soon after we wake up in the morning, the first question comes to our mind is what to have for breakfast. So today I'm going to share a simple breakfast recipe with just three ingredients and with some add-ons. So let's get into the process of cooking. Firstly, coming to the ingredients, we need rice flour. I have taken about 1 cup of rice flour, some green chilies cut, 2 to 3 green chilies depending upon the spice of green chili, some coriander, ginger which is finely chopped, 1 large onion finely chopped, and a mixing bowl. After taking the bowl, transfer the 1 cup of rice flour into the bowl. This is a primary ingredient for this. And for 1 cup of rice flour I am taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of suji, that is Bombay Rava or Upma Rava. This you can increase for the crispiness of Rava dosa. Next I am adding the green chilies which are cut round, some coriander leaves, and some freshly cut ginger which should be chopped very fine pieces so that even kids can have it. 1 large onion cut into small pieces. I am adding a bit of jeera and also some salt. The primary ingredients for this are rice flour, suji, salt and jeera. If you are lazy to cut all these onion, coriander, ginger, you can go with the 3 or 4 things, that is salt, rice flour, suji and jeera, which is very simple and even the beginners can make it very well. Now adding some water in order to prepare the batter for rava dosa. Firstly I had added 1 glass of water and the consistency should be little watery, not too thick. If you take the thin consistency of the batter, the rava dosa will be crispy and also thin. Now keep it aside for about 15 to 20 minutes so that the batter is done. Once the batter is done for cooking, take a wide pan, brush the pan with oil, and now start putting the dosa batter very slowly, not too fast, and sprinkle some oil on top of the dosa. On this you can also add some grated carrot for the kids. Once it is fried well, it turns out like this. It's very simple, friends. That's it, my rava dosa is ready. Thank you.